Today's topic for OSHA Safe and Sound Week is truck safety. When comparing industry hazards, workers in the trucking industry experience the most fatalities of all occupations. To reduce the risk of potentially fatal crashes, drivers should perform self-inspections before operating any motor vehicle. Before each and every trip, drivers should make sure to check their lights to ensure they are all in working order. Also, look over your tires for baldness or sidewall damage. Additionally, drivers should know where the fire extinguishers and emergency triangles are kept. Isn't Roman here doing a great job? All right, let's go back and do that again. Well, there you have it. Roman is ready to get in his truck and on the road. We hope you got a basic idea of just some of the key factors to look for when inspecting your truck. See you next time.